Good morning and welcome to daily vlog number 3. Day 2 of classes, let's go.
Classes here at Camino start at 9:30 AM and finish at 1:10 PM with a short break in between the two classes.
So I've just got back from day 2 of the language lessons and I'm really pleased to say that today was much better than yesterday. I've moved classes, like I mentioned yesterday, from C1 to B2 and it's a much sort of more comfortable level for me. So yeah, really happy that that was all sorted. But now I'm back in my flat. I thought it'd be a cool opportunity to do a room tour / flat tour for those that are interested where I'm staying. So we'll go into my room first. Here we are. So we've got the bed here. Got some storage just down there, and there's my bag. Then we've got some more storage and desk area here. We've got towels, COVID tests of course, toiletries, books, a few sort of things there. I've got a notice board of like all the activities that are going on this week. Then of course I've got my wardrobe, my clothes and my shoes down there. I've also got a mirror, as you can see here, and here's my view. It's not too much of a view, but that's okay. You can sort of see out there. And then as we head out, we've got the bathroom, we've got the toilet, the shower and the sink, very functional. Then we've got the lounge area, sofas and TV. And then we've got this really cool seating area here. We've got this mirror, there I am. Then we've got Lucas who is staying in here and a lady is also staying in here. I'm not too sure of her name, I've just met her. But yeah, this is the fridge. As you can see in here, pretty full fridge. Washing machine, microwave, hob, oven, toaster, all the sort of important things. So yeah, this is where I'm staying for the next month. It's really functional. It was a really good price, really good location. So yeah, no complaints at all. I'm really happy where I'm living. For my month in Barcelona. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get on and do a little bit of work. And then I'm at 3:45 going on like a walking tour. It's like an activity organised by the language school. It's a walking tour around an area called Born in Barcelona. I haven't actually been to Born before, so that's why I signed up for the activity, because I knew it'd be a good opportunity to explore another part of Barcelona that I haven't been to before. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to sit down, do a bit of work, and get ready for 3:45 to do the walking tour.
The first stop on the walking tour was the Arc de Triomphe. Now, you may be thinking, isn't that in Paris? The answer is yes, but also in Barcelona. The Arc de Triomphe was built as the gateway to the fair, which was held in the Parc de la Ciutadella. Then, we continued to walk around the neighbourhood of El Born. The trendy El Born area is characterised by narrow medieval streets offering designer boutiques and cafes by day and cocktail bars and samba at night. Our tour guide was Elena from Camino and she told us lots of information about El Born as well as guiding us around the neighbourhood. We then stopped at one of the most popular restaurants in El Born, La Pizza del Born, and I ordered a slice of pepperoni pizza, which is my favourite. There were many different options, from pepperoni to chorizo to ham and sweet corn. After the quick stop for pizza, we went to the Basilica de Santa Maria del Mar. This cathedral was one of the most beautiful I've ever seen. We then walked back to the school and I headed back to my flat to have some dinner and get some work done.
That tour was absolutely incredible. Born is such a beautiful area in Barcelona, and I also made so many new friends as well. They all found out obviously I have a YouTube channel as soon as I got my camera out and were asking me all about it and about Walking 360, and it was so nice just to explain everything, and yeah, such a good day. So I haven't updated you all for a while, but I've just been sat doing my homework. So as you can see here, this is the homework I've been doing. It's all about basically, it's hard to explain. It's kind of looking at an individual person. It's like what they achieved in the past, what they want to achieve in the future, and then looking at like obstacles in the way and using like various tenses and things to describe that. Kind of difficult to explain without having like been in the class, but yeah, it's actually really good. I thought like the idea of homework would be a bit like I'm back to school, but genuinely the homework's really beneficial to sort of put into practice what you've learned during the lessons. So yeah, I've just been sat doing my homework. I watched Bristol Rovers play, my football team play their game today on my computer, and we won, which was really good. But yeah, I need to actually edit this video now. It's like 11 PM and I haven't even started editing yet, so I need to get going with that now. I just want to say a massive thank you for all your support on the Barcelona vlog series so far. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below if you're looking forward to Barcelona daily vlog number 4, and subscribe if you're new. We're so close to 500 subscribers, so hopefully we can get there in the next couple of weeks. We'll see. But yeah, once again, thank you so much for all the support on the videos, and I'll see you tomorrow.